Today we'll show you how to transfer image to prompt in ChatGPT, and you can do it with anything. You can do others image like it. Okay guys, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First we will now choose this is image to transfer it to prompt. Okay guys, now click to this image and go it here to Google and post it. Okay, like this, and tell him give me these prompt in prompt image here. Okay guys, like this, only this, and wait it a few minutes, a few seconds, sorry guys. Okay, now it's like this, like this, like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, now we will now test it. Okay, just like this, and tell him here, just copy your prompt and give me high quality than this. Okay guys, and wait, it will be the level of premium of high quality, like cinematic quality. Did you see, like cinematic quality? Okay, now just now forgot, yeah, like this, the cameras and photograph. Okay, just now go here and copy, and now go to new chat and go here and post. Okay, and now click to here, or you can go to Gemini. It's no problem, and click, just like this, and create image and click, and wait it a few seconds or a few minutes. Okay guys, it's now creating image. Okay guys, now it's finishing. Okay, see now it's so good. Wait 1 second, only 1 second. It's now mystery glowing neon eyes. Okay, only 1 second guys. Okay, now it's now the finishing. It's so good. Okay, did you see this? And this is our official, like it. Did you see? Look, what is the best? This is a second, or this is a first or the second? What's the best guys? Okay, don't forget like and test it in your PC, and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.